Okay, a quick announcement for Wolverine Amplifier builders. Group buy number 4 is active. Boards are being ordered for another group buy due to popular demand. This will be group buy number 4. If you don't want to miss out, please check out the link in the description to this video. I will put a link to the group buy and the relevant Wolverine build thread. Here are pictures of group buy number 4 boards with up-to-date performance tweaks. This is the input stage board. Here's the output stage board for 3 pairs of output transistors called EF3-3. Here's the output stage board for 4 output transistor pairs called EF3-4. And please enjoy a couple of build pictures after this slide. Thank you to everyone who's watched, liked, subscribed and posted nice comments for my videos so far. I really appreciate the feedback. Don't forget to check out the link for the 4th group buy for the Wolverine PCBs. I'll leave a link in the description to this video. Please register your interest if you missed out on the first round, the second round or the third round, or if you simply want more Wolverine printed circuit boards. Once again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Bye for now.